A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquin. Here.
A present! Yay!
One, two, three. How fun! Which one do you want?
All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquin. You can only choose one.
One!
Hold on, Cuquin.
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another
one.
little elephant.
Please choose me.
Blue egg. A donkey.
My dear donkey, he now has a big head. They can balance in his stripes, him an old-fashioned large bonnet. An old-fashioned large bonnet, donkey's not feeling well.
More! Three.
Here, come get me. Hee hee, chase me. Too slow. Here, come get me.
Don't know how to farm. E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he has some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
Great!
Hi, friends. Let's play with the colored surprise egg.
Blue egg. Open! Oh! Well? Oh! Well? Surprise eggs! Oh! Yellow! Open. Open. Yellow elephant. Yellow elephant. Well?
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another little elephant.
I want more. Blue. Open. 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 Surprise! A blue elephant. Blue elephant. Well?
Two little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
More elephants. Green. Open. 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 Surprise! Green elephant. Green elephant. Well?
Three little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
More. Pink. Open. 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 Surprise! Pink elephant. Well? Pink elephant.
Four little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
Another elephant. Red. Open. 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 Wow! Red elephant. Red elephant. Ooh!